In this video, I will show how to display percentage labels in pie chart in Microsoft Excel. So, firstly select your data. Insert, and select pie. Adjust and change color, style, size. Then click on Add Chart Element. Hover cursor Data Labels. Then select Outside Field. Now select More Data, Label Options. Now here select percentage. Remove value. Scroll down and expand number. In category, select percentage. Decimal code, you can add 1 or 2. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.